Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess Zoo Veterinarian, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rob Koch. I am the Director of Veterinary Care at the San Antonio Zoo.
What do you do for your career?
Well, a veterinarian, what we do is we take care of animals. We take care of healthy animals and sick animals both. We want to keep the healthy animals healthy. We want to make the sick animals healthy.
What's the coolest part of your job?
The variety. We have lots of different animals here at the zoo, so I enjoy working on a bird. Next minute, I'm working on a fish. Or I could be taking care of a lizard. Or trying to make a snake give birth. So it's crazy, but all the different things that we can do here.
What an amazing career! Remember, young scholars, if you study hard and show up on time, just imagine all the things you could be.